Hello my dear students, as we completed our UT1 syllabus, written as well as explanation. Okay, now today we'll start with the term 1 syllabus, and in that we'll start from 13th chapter, that is Internet Online Surfing. Okay, here in this chapter the topics we are going to cover: internet, various terms related to internet, advantages and disadvantages of internet, protecting yourself from potential threats on the web. Right? So first start with the term internet. You are much aware with that term internet, I know. Then also I'm telling you, internet, also called net, is one of the largest networks that links millions or trillions of computers all over the world. You know it very well that it is a worldwide net. Okay, it is a net through which thousands, we can say millions or trillions of computers are interconnected. Okay, that is why it is a web. You can access this network via communication devices and media such as modems. See, if we want the internet connection, if we want the access of this network, network of networks, then the devices we need to connect, through modems we can connect, through cables we can connect, telephone lines and satellites. No one knows exactly how many computers are connected to the internet. Yes, it is true. We can't even imagine how many computers are connected with internet. It is certain, however, that these numbers are in millions and are increasing at a rapid pace. See, it is certain that these numbers are in millions, trillions, okay, and day by day it is increasing also. Many peoples are connected, already connected with the internet, and day by day people are connecting themselves. Internet is one of the major reasons why people buy computers these days. Nowadays, we are purchasing computers just because to access internet, just because the need of internet. We want to use the or take the benefits of internet. That's why people are buying computers, mobile phones. Through the internet, the society has the access to information from all around the globe. See, why this line is written over there? Because information related to anything, any person, any particular place, regarding any book, regarding any topic, we get the information just by a single click. We need to type only and then we'll search, and immediately within a second we can get the information on our screen, okay, in front of our eyes. The internet enables you to read the latest news. See, the latest, the current news, it is immediately uploaded on internet, and whenever we will search about that particular topic or news, we can see, we can read the latest one. Do research, do research also for us. Shop, that means we can do shopping also with the help of internet related to anything. Communicate, we can communicate with our friends, with our relatives, those who are living far from us. It is only possible with the help of internet that we can talk face to face, video chatting, video conferencing, text messages, voice messages, anything we can do. It is possible just because of internet. Listen to music, there are music available on internet. We can search the music of our choice and we can listen to it very easily. We can play games also, we can download games and access a wide variety of information related to any topic, right? Internet has truly revolutionized the means of communication. Means there is a revolutionary change in the means of communication. Earlier people were using cards. Earlier people were using letters. They are posting letters if they want to send any message to their dear or near ones, okay, but nowadays within a second we can send our message, we can talk, we can see the face also of our relatives, right? So it is truly revolutionized the means of communication. Any person who gets connected to the internet gets connected to you. It is simple. If you have internet connection and the one with which you want the connection, you want to talk, then he must be connected with internet. You can communicate with anyone on the internet. It touches the lives of everyone. Success in today's world requires knowledge of the internet. See, nowadays, if you want success in any of the field you want, then you must have the information of internet. It is a requirement of the time, right? Without it, you miss a tremendous source of goods, services, information, and communication. These all things are possible just because of internet only. If we have internet, if we have the knowledge to operate internet, to search the things, to use the internet informations, or we can say services, then you will become successful in your life, right? That was all about internet. Okay. Then various terms related to internet. There are so many terms which are related to internet. You must be knowing about it. While working on internet, the following terms must be understood by you, right? Number one is www, that is the World Wide Web, or simply the web, is a massive storehouse of information. That is the storehouse of information, resources, pictures, sounds, and multimedia that can be accessed by via the internet. Means these information, these resources, pictures, and sounds, we can access it, we can get it just after having knowledge about internet, or we can say www, that is World Wide Web. Next thing, web page. What is it? A web page is a single document on the web. As the name suggests, it is web page. So a page, a document, a single document on web. Web pages can include the collection of text, images, sound, and videos. See, whenever we are searching anything, the page occurs, the screen occurs or appears on your in front of your eyes, related to information, that is a web page. The internet consists of billions of pages covering almost every topic. Means related to any topic, you can search on net, it will give you the information matching with your instructions, and the information will come on a page. That page is known as web page, right? That is all for today. There are a lot of things to know about internet that we'll discuss in our next topic. Okay, thank you.